finally election day in the U.S. Stock index futures on Wall Street are marginally lower. Investors are bracing for the result of the U.S. presidential election. On Monday, U.S. indices surged on easing uncertainty over the presidential election. Now, the market priced in greater odds of a Hillary Clinton win, and this did come on the heels of the FBI saying on Sunday that it would take no action against her. Now, in terms of transportation, semiconductors and semiconductor equipment sectors, they did gain on Monday. Diversified financials also outperformed the market. In terms of advancers and decliners, 97% of S&P 500 constituents traded higher yesterday. And in the after-hours market, Marriott International announced a third-quarter diluted EPS of 26 cents on revenue of $3.94 billion from $3.5 billion in the previous year. Net income dropped 67% year-over-year to $70 million. And Priceline reported third-quarter adjusted EPS of $31.18 last year on revenues, which were up 19% year-over-year to $3.69 billion, and both readings were above estimates. The company expects the next quarter's adjusted EPS to come within the range of $12.20 to $12.80. Separately, News Corp swung to a first-quarter EPS of 3 cents from 22 cents in the prior quarter on revenue of $1.97 billion. That was down from $2.01 billion a year earlier. And today, in terms of earnings releases, we will be getting results out from CVS Health, Johnson Controls, Concho Resources, D.R. Horton, and TripAdvisors. As for economic data, October NFIB Small Business Optimism will be released, along with the JOLTS report for the month of September. In terms of overseas equity markets, they were mostly higher. The Nikkei was down just minus 0.03%. The Hang Seng gained nearly 0.5%, and South Korea's Kospi gained 0.3%. European indices are trading flat. As for the U.S. equity indices for the S&P 500 on an intraday basis, limited upside is expected. Trading central analysts prefer long positions above 2104 with targets at 2135 and 2144 in extension. For the Nasdaq on an intraday basis, a continuation of the rebound is expected, and for the Dow Industrials, limited upside is expected.